Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Gmail offline on both your desktop and mobile device. This is super handy if you often find yourself without a stable internet connection but still need access to your emails. Let's begin with desktop. First, open your Gmail on your web browser. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open the quick settings panel. Next, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. At the top, you will notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Offline. Now, check the box next to the Enable Offline Mail. This tells Gmail to save a copy of your mails on your computer so you can read, search, and write emails without needing to be online. Once enabled, you'll see two options. One, to keep data offline on your device, and one, to remove offline data when you sign out of your Gmail. Choose the option that best fits your security and privacy preferences. After that, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to activate offline mode. Gmail will now sync your recent emails and make them available even when you are offline. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.